Hey there, let's talk about something that's probably impacting your home right now. Your comfort, your health, and yeah, even your wallet. It all comes down to insulation. We're going to look at how Universal Insulation Doctor has a complete plan to protect your home from some pretty serious threats you probably don't even know are there.
So what's really hiding up in your attic? Or down in that crawl space? It's a question most of us kind of push to the back of our minds, right? But what if I told you that what you don't know about those spaces could be seriously costing you money and, even worse, affecting your family's health?
You know that feeling, right? When your energy bill shows up and you're just shocked? Or maybe there's that one room in the house that's always freezing, no matter what you do. Well, those are the classic signs, the blinking red lights that your insulation just isn't doing its job. But believe me, that's often just the tip of the iceberg.
Okay, and this is where it gets really serious. We're moving beyond just being comfortable or saving a few bucks on your bills. We're talking about real, unseen dangers that could be impacting your family's well-being right now.
See, old insulation is basically a magnet for problems. Over time, it gets old, it gets squished down, it gets damp, and it just stops working. But it's not just that it stops keeping you warm. It becomes this perfect little haven for pests. We're talking infestations, moisture damage, mold, and all the nasty stuff left behind by rodents and other critters. And here's the really scary part, the health connection. When pests get into that insulation, their waste, their urine and droppings, it doesn't just stay there. Tiny particles can actually become airborne. And where do they go? They get sucked right into your vents and blown all over your house. You're literally breathing that stuff in. It's a huge deal, and it demands a real solution.
So what in the world do you do? You've got energy loss, pests, and health risk all rolled into one. Well, Universal Insulation Doctor has developed something totally unique to tackle all of it at once. It's called the PestGuard Insulation System.
All right, let's break this down. Your standard insulation, it has a little bit of something called borate in it, mostly to make it fire resistant. But what Universal does is genius. They specially treat their PestGuard insulation with a much higher level of borate. Why? Because borate is a natural pest repellent. Bugs like roaches and ants literally can't stand it, so you're not just getting top-notch energy efficiency, you're getting a built-in pest barrier.
And it's not just about what they put in, it's about the entire process. It's a full 3-step attack plan. First, they get all that nasty old stuff out of there using professional vacuums. Step 2, and this is so important, they fog the whole space with a sanitizer. This kills all those airborne contaminants and odors. And only then, on a clean slate, do they install the brand new R49 PestGuard insulation. It's like hitting the reset button for your attic or crawl space.
Okay, so why should you trust Universal Insulation Doctor with a job this big? Well, it really boils down to their experience, their reputation, and their absolute commitment to doing things the right way.
Get this, over 50 years. 50. That isn't just a number on a website. That's a lifetime of experience, right here in the Hampton Roads area. They've seen it all, they've fixed it all, and they know exactly what homes around here need.
And all that experience, it pays off in their reputation. You don't just get an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau by accident. That's something you earn, job after job, by taking care of your customers and doing quality work. Period.
And look, not all companies are the same. These guys are actually certified pesticide applicators. That's a huge deal, and not every insulation installer is. They own the fastest equipment out there, which means less time with your house turned upside down. Plus, and this is a big one for peace of mind, every single one of their employees is background checked. It shows a level of professionalism you don't always see.
Okay, I know what you're probably thinking. This sounds great, but what's it going to cost? It's a fair question. A big project like this is an investment, but they've thought of that too, and have a solution to make it manageable.
It's their smart pay option, and it's pretty simple. You can get your home protected right now, start seeing those savings on your energy bills immediately, and you can spread the payments out over time. It's a way to let the insulation basically start paying for itself, which is just smart.
All right, so we've covered the hidden problems, the unique solution, and why this is the team you can trust. So what's the next step? How do you actually get started on making your home healthier and more efficient?
I love this because it really puts everything in perspective. Think about it. This isn't just money you're spending. It's an investment in your home that actually pays you back, sometimes in as little as a single year.
And the best part? You don't have to guess what's going on up there. You can find out for sure, for free. Universal Insulation Doctor will come out and do a full inspection. No charge, no pressure, no obligation whatsoever. They'll even show you pictures so you see exactly what they're seeing.
Look, protecting your home starts with one simple thing, knowing what you're up against. So take that first step.
Give Universal Insulation Doctor a call and schedule that free inspection. The number is 757-962-0340. Seriously, find out what's really going on in your attic and crawl space. It's time to take control of your home's comfort and health. Again, that's 757-962-0340.